Hello everybody, my name is Albert and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to find a freelancer on SkillBooking. To begin, locate your job on the homepage. Click View to open it. Once inside the job listings, scroll down to the Skiller section. Click on the Find Skiller button to view all available freelancers in your country. If you want to narrow your search further, use the location filter to find freelancers in a specific area, state, or country based on your job requirements. Using these filters helps you refine your search and find the best freelancer for your project. When you find a freelancer you're interested in, click View to open their profile. What you can see on the freelancer's profile: their pricing and availability, their experience and skills, feedback from previous jobs completed on the platform. Individual projects they've completed are located at the bottom of their profile. Take the time to review a freelancer's profile, ensuring you select the right person for the job. Once you've found the freelancer you want to hire, click Select Skiller. Confirm your selection to ensure you've chosen the right freelancer. The freelancer is notified immediately that they've been selected for the job. After selecting a freelancer, the messaging system will open automatically. This allows you to communicate with the freelancer, discuss job details, and set expectations. Good communication helps ensures a smooth working process and successful project completion. If the freelancer doesn't respond within 24 hours and your job is urgent, a Change Skiller button will appear on your job listing. You can find and select another freelancer without waiting longer. This ensures that urgent jobs can move forward quickly. And that's it. You've successfully found and selected a freelancer on SkillBooking. Reviewing profiles filtered by location and communicating through the messaging system ensures you get the right person for the job. If you have any questions, reach out to us through the contact page on our website.